Hello everyone, my name is Vibhor Kaur and I'm currently in 7th semester and pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology. Before joining Pine, like the mass mentality, I was also trying to get into the IT industry, though being in the EC branch. So I did practice DSA and web development, and it wasn't like I did it for 1 month. I did it for 6 months, got good in it, but then I realized it wasn't my best of interest. So I left it, and then I thought I just wanted to get into core. So I started looking for opportunities. I read the news, government was investing a lot in the core industries and a lot of plans were upcoming. So I just knew I had to try for core branch, electronics and communication or VLSI, but I just didn't know how to proceed with it. So starting in core EC was a very daunting task personally for me because I was never really confident in the concepts of electronics and communication. So I just knew I had to get in core, but I just didn't know how to get there because, as I said, it was really frightening for me. Then one day I talked to one of my seniors who was already placed in a core industry. So I talked to him about my career options, like what were the options in EC and what all can I get there, what all can I expect. So he told me about Pine Institute. So then I talked to Vaibhav sir on call, and he explained me further like what all opportunities are available in the core industry and what is the future prospects in it. So that time I decided that I will join Pine, and at that moment I enrolled in the foundation course, and that was back in April of 2024. I must say joining Pine 5 years back was a great decision I made. Since then my confidence has been skyrocketed in the EC industry because now I feel I have clarity in concepts ranging from VLSI, embedded, like we have practiced a lot. I've done a lot of projects, signed calculator 4-bit, which was digital, implementation of the FPGA board, then sequential circuits like latches, flip-flops, counters, shift registers, and many more. Joining Pine in the April of 2024 was one of the best decisions I made. In the foundation batch, I was forced to make a lot of projects like a 4-bit digital signed calculator, sequential circuits like latches, flip-flops, counters, shift registers, and all of their implementation on SSD, which was a really hard task, but it felt like I was using my brain and it was really interesting to deal with those concepts. So I used to think that EC was all about hardware, but coming to Pine, I was told that there is a lot of programming aspect to it as well. So I was taught Verilog also, and I made some programming projects on Verilog as well, which I liked more in comparison to the hardware projects. All of this progress would not have been possible without my mentor Vaibhav Mishra sir. He has been there every step of the way, and I really want to share that he is not the typical kind of mentor who is going to hold your hand and take you forward or spoon feed you. Rather, he will force you to think on your own and come up with the solutions, which initially I really felt that this isn't what I came here for, but with time when it passed, I just knew that this kind of approach is going to be helpful to me in future also when I enter the industry and I get some real life projects. All in all, I would like to say that Pine has been of great help to me. Joining Pine was one of the best decisions I made, and I would really recommend it to all the juniors who want to join it or the people who want to skyrocket their career in EC domain to definitely join Pine because it is a great way to start your career.